My name is Brooke, and my daughter is Deslin, and she's 5 years old, and she was diagnosed with ASD. I noticed that there was some things kind of different with Deslin. Her milestones weren't quite where they should have been at 15 months. When I found out that Deslin was, in fact, autistic, I was scared, I think, more than anything, just for her. Nobody wants to hear that your child has autism. It's very difficult not knowing what's wrong with your child when she's crying. She couldn't tell me. The most difficult part of having a child with autism is the communication.
My name is Danny. I am Dezi's behavior technician, and I've been with Dezi for almost a year now. Music was the turning point for us. I noticed when I first started with Dezi that she was singing something, and I couldn't quite figure out what it was. There was this moment where I'm like, oh, she's singing Wheels on the Bus. And from that moment, it was all singing all the time. Anytime we were doing anything, there was music involved.
What are we going to do? Teamwork.
Good job, we did it!
Dezi does 25 hours of ABA services a week. She's been in ABA for 3.5 years now, and I don't know what I would have done without ABA. We've seen a lot of breakthroughs and a lot of goals have been met drastically this last 6 months. Her communication has just blown up. It has expanded so much. She could tell me that she needs something. That by far is the biggest accomplishment we've had yet.
It started with a full sentence, and it has just blown up into this amazing genius girl coming out. She's absorbed so much, even in the time where she wasn't speaking.
On Thursdays, they get to go on outing days, which has been great because for a long time I couldn't take Deslin even to the grocery store. So after about a month of the outings, I've noticed a huge difference in Deslin's behavior at the grocery store, at a restaurant, and her behavior was just amazing. And now I can take her anywhere. As long as we continue with the ABA services, I know Deslin's going to have a great future. I don't think I could ever put it into words on how much I appreciate you and your job and what you've done for Des.